Welcome to Bestusefultips. I will show you how to clear app cache and data on your Redmi Note 12 5G. Open the settings app on your device. Now scroll down up to apps. Tap on apps. Now tap on manage apps. Here you can see list of available application on your device. You tap on find apps and search the app you want to use. You can also select the app from the list. Select any app you want to clear app cache and data. Tap on a data, tap on a storage, tap on a clear data button at the bottom middle, tap on it. Now here you can see clear cache and manage space. Tap on a clear cache, tap on OK to clear cache. Again tap on a manage space. Here you can see clear all data option. It will remove all the data from this app including account, password, setting, etc. Tap on a clear all data. Tap on OK. Now clear all app cache and clear data on your app. It's quite easy to clear app cache and data on your Redmi Note 12. That's it. Please like it, share it.